Hey, well, I'm stuck in my house because it's winter break for us high school kids, and gotten kind of sick of doing nothing. So decided to make a little video here of this stuff. Oh, there's boxes in the way. This stuff. This is my exhaust stuff I ordered. Actually, I have one more piece coming in the mail. The piece that is on its way, rather, is what is it? Flowmaster 10 series, 3-inch single in, dual 2.5 out, and these are the pipes, tailpipes that will be going on. These are Magnaflow pipes, obviously, and they're stainless steel. Let's take a look inside here. I already opened it, but I haven't really done anything. Here they are. Stupid furnace turn on. They're stainless steel, mandrel bent, whatever it is, how it's pronounced. Can't remember. Pipes, 2.5 inch. This is the passenger side pipe. Let's see here, something down like that. Alright, no, this is the driver's side. This is the actual end. As you can see, it's pretty shiny. This is stainless. It's good quality. It's nice and thick pipe. Oh, this box is in the way. God dang it. God dang it. Oh, that's not good. Over here. Okay. And it goes right here like this. Hold on. There we go. This is the passenger side. See, it goes over the axle or just driver's side, dang it. Driver's side, not passenger side. Goes over there, just like that. There you go. And here, there's a box. Came in pretty big. This is the passenger side. That's the driver's side, that's the passenger side. Where we go? How's this go? See, they're identical pretty much. Except for, oh, that fell. There, see, identical. Comes the bends. The other piece is in here somewhere. Found it. There you go. This bend goes to the right. Set my phone down really quick. There we go. That's the gist of it. But, yeah. Just like that. From the muffler on back. The part number for these is, excuse me. The driver's side here is the Magnaflow 15025, 15025, I guess. And the other side's 15024. They feel, nice and solid. They come in 2 pieces. You'll need a clamp for edge right there. But you can see the quality of it's good. This is sturdy. It's not gonna crush like the other stuff I have, but it's gonna look nice and it's gonna sound good. It's a dog, but yeah. Packaging also. Some people like to look at that. Nothing special. It's just some paper to prevent it from moving around. Got this here. Converter warranty certificate. Well, broke that. I don't really care. I don't care at all. Nothing in here. It's an empty box. But yeah, there you go. I'll make a video of this on the truck when it's on the truck. Like I said, I have the Flowmaster 10 series coming. Just check out the window. See if it's here. Ooh, it's not on the porch. Who knows when we'll be here. But those are the pipes. I'm bored. Let's see if I can get both. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, so, hey, furnace turned off. Alrighty. Guess that's all. Thanks for watching. I'll have a video of this up within the next week when it's on the truck. I also have a light bar. A car roof mounted or rain gutter mounted light bar thing for the roof of my truck. Putting lights on it here. Let me get one of them. Let me see. We'll go in here. There's light. There. You go. See me holding the camera. That's the light. It's really shiny. Sorry about my camera being broke too. Yeah, it's just something wrong with the lens on the camera, on the phone. The little plastic piece is broken. But yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching. See you later.